Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to unfollow an artist on Amazon Music. If you've been following artists and want to clean up your library or simply aren't interested in their updates anymore, this process will help you manage your music preferences more effectively. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to music.amazon.com. Once the page loads, sign into your account. This will bring you to your Amazon Music homepage where you can access all your music content and settings. After you've logged in, look toward the top of the screen where you'll find the main navigation menu. Click on Library. This section houses all your saved music, playlists, and artists you're currently following. From the Library dropdown, select Music to view your complete music collection. Now that you're in your music library, you'll see another menu at the top of the page. Click on Artists. This will display a complete list of all the artists you're currently following on Amazon Music. You'll be able to see their names and album artwork, making it easy to browse through your collection. Next, locate the artist you want to unfollow. Hover your mouse over their name or artwork. When you do this, you'll notice that additional options appear. Look for the 3 dotted lines icon, which represents the menu for that specific artist. Click on those 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From the menu that appears, select Unfollow. This action will immediately remove the artist from your followed list. You won't receive updates about their new releases anymore, and they'll no longer appear in your followed artists section. If you change your mind later, you can always follow them again by searching for the artist and selecting the follow option. And that's it. You've successfully unfollowed an artist on Amazon Music, giving you better control over your music library and the content you want to see. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.